Hey everyone. Right. This is gonna be quick because I want to cover the topic. That's in the way. But yeah. All right. So here you go. You clicked on the video. You're wanting to know how to make a AER9 laser rifle from Fallout. So here's what me personally used. I used book, like hardback book covers, right? EVA foam. I use the edges of the mats, as you can see, which actually worked out really well. I used hot glue gun. I used these little things right here, which you can get at like Hobby Lobby or some other craft store, little wooden round pieces, which those are what goes right here, along here. I also took other few pieces of plastic and wires, some electrical tape. So took nails and put in a lot of places. You can see like right here on the stock. For the microfusion cell, I believe, I used just a pill bottle and some electrical tape. Also made a spare one right here. But yeah, just get the pill bottle. I sanded it down, wrapped the top bit in electrical tape, and then painted the rest yellow. You can see it on there. But anyways, how I did it is I cut the hardback book covers into shapes that I wanted, and that served as the sort of base, and then I just cut and glued these over top of it, and that gives it a very stiff and firm base. You could also use something like metal or something like that if you wanted to, but this is just how I made it. But it's quite nice. In my opinion, I actually really like it. I did dirty it up a little bit in a couple areas, and yeah, simple yet effective. Now it is, of course, thinner than what like it actually would be. In actuality, it'd be about to there for this, but I prefer the slimmer look. Plus, I'm lazy, so that's a very big key factor. But anyways, here you go. Basically that's simple. And then I just painted it. I just took a brush and did it with silver, went over it with like hunter green. I don't know the exact thing, but it's pretty simple. It took me a few hours. It's not too difficult to do, and it comes out pretty well in the end. So thanks for watching. Next prop video will probably be the laser pistol, which I, once again, will be using a similar process to do as I did with this. So thanks for joining me. This is a short video on just how to do this. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share my video. Thanks for watching. See ya.